All right, so you're here getting new bikes, right? Or you got them this week from Andre, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah? What kind of bike did you get?
I got this bike right here.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really reliable. It's like, I think 20 years old. It says that it's made in 2001.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah? Are you excited about your new bike?
yes,
That's great. Have you had a bike before? Yes, probably.
yes.
Yeah. Edwin, tell me about your bike.
This is the blue, but this is actually his at first, but then
It was his bike?
yeah, but then we traded it for this one, and I took this bike afterwards.
That's so great. I'm excited for you guys.
Yeah, I gave him this bike, he fixed it up and then gave it to Edwin.
No way.
Yeah.
That's cool. Thanks, guys.